Got this new storm jammer on, just testing it. As you can see, there's a bit of wind blowing there, but let's see if we can hear it when we download onto the computer. Guess the wind stopped blowing now as soon as I try. You can just see we've got just a fair bit of wind there anyway. So I think this will cure it. Instead of having that awful crackling sound that you get with wind. This is the product, Wincutter, but it's the storm chaser I bought. It's that bit longer. It comes from America, it's free post. It works out about £15 UK. I think it's in dollars. I can't see it now, but I think I paid about £15. And I say it's free post. It comes within 2 or 3 days. We just tested a little bit in the garden. I had the smaller one on the other camcorder and it worked very well, but this will work even better, especially when we get up on the North Yorkshire moors when the wind is really blowing.